Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute and today we're going to be creating a makeup look. I'm not sure what we're going to be doing yet. I just feel like doing my makeup today, so we're going to be doing it together, and we're also going to be trying on a new wig from Natural Girl Wigs, and I'm pretty excited about this one because it's something different and I can't wait to see how it turns out. So let's just head right into it. My face is already moisturized. I'm just going to go ahead and prime with my Dior Backstage primer, and just going to apply this on the places that I tend to get oily basically. Moving on to set the places that I just primed with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose finishing powder in the shade Deep. Moving on to highlight the high points of my face with my black Opal sheer metallics in the shade Bronzie. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Hudabeauty foundation in the shade Mocha and Ganache. So moving on to concealer, I'm going to be using my favorites per usual from Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be using the shade 10 and 12, going in with 10 first. Now we move on to 12, and I only use that under my eyes. I'm going for that lifted look. I'm sure you guys must have seen it everywhere at this point. That lifted look that everyone is doing with their highlight lately. So I'm trying to achieve that today. While we leave that to dry down a little bit, I'm going in with my NYX Sweet Cheeks in the shade Bombshell and Almost Famous.
When you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy.
I'm going back in with a little bit of blush just because I feel like I dragged the highlight too much to that area, and I'm trying to bring the blush back. Now that everything is to my liking, I'm going to go ahead and set with my Hudabeauty setting powder in the shade Kunafa.
Shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud.
Moving on to bronzer, I'm going to be using my CoverGirl bronzer in the shade Ebony Brown.
Talked about everything that was on our mind. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper.
So I went ahead to add more powder to the places that tend to crease really fast. That's under my eyes and my smile lines. So now I'm going to be moving on to blush, and I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm going to be mixing these 3 shades right here. I'm going to be setting the rest of my face with my L'Oreal Infallible powder. I think this is the shade Cocoa. I'm not quite sure, but I'll find out and have the list to everything that I use written in the description box. For brows, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Ultra Slim Brow Pencil in the shade Deep Brown. This is not the regular shade that I use. I usually use black brown, but for some reason, I can't seem to find it both in stores and online. And this one is a little bit lighter than the one that I regularly use, but we're going to try to make this work.
Kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder.
Going in with my Elegant Concealer in the shade Toast, I'm going to be using this to clean up the brows.
I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love out loud. Love out loud. Love out loud. Love out loud. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud.
I just realized that my audio was messed up all through when I was doing the eyes. I didn't really do too much because I didn't know what I wanted to do today, so I just decided to stick to something really simple. I used the same concealer that I used for my highlight on the lid just to prep that. Went in with my setting powder, used that to set that, and I went in with the CoverGirl bronzer that I used earlier as well. Used it for my transition shade and just furthermore set the lid space with the same setting powder as well, and that's pretty much all that we're doing for the eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and create a winged liner today. Let's see how that goes. I've not done that in a while, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that now if I can find my gel liner. The liner I'm going to be using today is from Kiko Milano. It's a black gel liner.
A small bar with neon lights. Talked about everything that was on our mind. Talking to you gave me butterflies.
Alright you guys, so my lashes are on, and the lashes I used today are from Lashes by Lena on Instagram. And you guys, can we get into this length? It's been a moment since I wore a lash this long, but I'm really loving it. So we're just going to go ahead and finish up. We spent so long on this makeup today, I don't know. I'm just in a very slow mo today. So now I'm just dusting off the excess powder.
Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna
Going back into my face powder, I'm just going to make sure everything is blended in nicely. I went ahead to apply black liner to my under eyes, and I also used the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara on my bottom lashes as well, going in with the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in the shade 100. I'm just going to be applying this on the bridge of my nose and here. Moving on to lips, I'm going to be lining with my all-time fave. If you're not a newbie on this channel, you already know that almost every lip color that I create, I have to line with this. I'm not sure what would happen to me if Maybelline ever, God forbid anyways, if they ever decide to discontinue this lip stain. They better not, because I'm going to be ready to throw hands if they ever stop if they ever discontinue this shade, sorry. And the shade I'm using today is Protector, and you guys, I can't get over this winged liner. The wing is winging, baby. We're done with lining and we're going to move on to lipstick, and I'm going to be using this palette from AliExpress. Every single time I bring out this palette, I always feel guilty because I've been trying to look for a link to it and I can't seem to find any. It's sold out on AliExpress. It's sold out on the seller I bought it from doesn't have it anymore, and I've searched for other sellers that have it as well and I can't seem to find it. So I'm really sorry, you guys. But anyways, grab any pink lipstick that you have. I'm going to be using this shade right here. Alright you guys, so makeup is done and now we move to the exciting parts. Like I said earlier, the units we're going to be trying on today was sent from Natural Girl Wigs. Their tote bag, you guys, is my absolute favorite thing, one of my absolute favorite things about this brand. I absolutely love their bags. Let's just go ahead and see what we have inside. This is what we have going on straight out of the pack, and this is definitely different and interesting. I can't wait to see how this turns out. This is their pineapple headband wig. I have her in color 1, and the unit itself is 4 inches, and this is what we have going on. We have this drawstring and this headband attached to the hair. This is just like a pop on your head and go, no stress, no drama kind of vibe. It's going to be great for everyday wear, and I can't wait to see what we have. This is what we have going on inside as well. And okay, let's just head right into styling and I'll be back with my final thoughts.
Talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna love out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna.
So this is what we have, and by the way I'm shining my teeth, you can already tell how much I love it. You guys, is she giving or what? Everything together, the hair, the makeup. Okay, we came to slay today. Absolutely love this wig. It was super easy to style. I literally wore this one in like 5 minutes and we were done. All I did was pop on my head, use the drawstring, fluff out a little bit, and I just went in with one bobby pin to just pin this area right here because I was trying to shape it into what we have going on. But honestly, you can wear without the bobby pin, or you can go ahead and use the bobby pin to shape her however you like. This one is definitely worth your coins in my opinion. If you're a beginner or you're looking for like a pop on your head and go, no stress, no drama kind of everyday wig, this right here is your guy. Styling, effortless, and it feels really comfortable and nice. If your head is bigger than mine, I feel like this is still going to work for you because of the drawstring that we have going on. You can fit her to your head, and I didn't really experience any form of shedding or tangling with this one, to be honest. And everything, you guys, is definitely serving. Absolutely love it. Definitely worth your coins. Can't wait to take pictures because sis, we definitely came to slay today. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And I think this will be great for you as well if you're bald or if you're on low cut like me and you're worried about, you know, your hair showing or anything. As you can see, my hair is not even showing and I have no edges whatsoever, and that also helped protect my edges. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I'm going to have the direct link, every information that you need written in my description box, details to all the makeup products I used as well. I'm going to have them written in my description box. Do not forget to give a huge thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, join the family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.